Embassy of Japan, Japan Foundation, ICCR Northeast Zone Day, Tripura Cultural and Information Department Kathalajak Shakthar Mumbai, Fashal Nisimi, Shalini Bagwi Northeast Japan Caravan 2024-25 Cengwi Rwjakha, Rwjakhor Agolini Rabidra bhavano. Ashale Pandawa Narwai Khorang Rwjakha State Information Culture Department Secretary Pradip Chakraborty Japan Foundation ni Director no Khoboi te Kubuna Dongrok Pandawa Tripura ni juda juda culture ni Resamung Mosamung Rok no Phonuk Jakha Abni loge loge Tripura ni culture no tiye kaisa exhibition bo khlai jakha te All Tripura Association ni bakak te judo competition bo khlai jakha.
Mr. Monish Singh, the Director ICCR Indian Council for Cultural Research, who is also the Zonal Officer of the Northeast. Mr. Koji Setu, the Director, Japan Foundation, New Delhi. The First Secretary from the Embassy of Japan in India, Mr. Takashi Kobayashi, the officials from the Department of Information and Cultural Affairs, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a great pleasure to welcome the Japanese delegates, including the official from the ICCR, that the mission for the Northeast Japan Caravan 24-25 is programmed for 2 days at Agartala. I extend my warm welcome. At the same time, I pay my thanks for choosing Agartala for this event. Thank you once again. Northeast Japan Caravan 24-25 is being held at Agartala. You know, this is the outcome of the Memorandum of Understanding signed between the Ministry of Culture, ICCR, and the State of Tripura. State of Tripura was represented by the Information and Cultural Affairs in 2022. So this event is a follow-up of that MOU. So the ICCR will be holding such events in different states at different dates, and there will be cultural exchange between the culture of foreign country, the Indian states at different places. The delegates from India also will tour to different countries at different points in time. So indeed, this is indeed a great pleasure to once again that this is being held here at Agartala. The Government of India has tied up through the ICCR. To give a piece of information that Tripura also is going to sign a memorandum of understanding with the state of Uttar Pradesh very shortly for cultural exchange. So this type of exchange will bring not only showcasing the culture, the rich cultural traditions and heritage of one country with the other, but also bring about excellence in the performance, because each of the artists will try to perform their best, to give their best at the time of showcasing their own shows. Talking about the Northeast Caravan again, it's known that there is a lot of similarities, as the honorable speakers have already mentioned, between the Japanese culture and the Northeastern Indian states culture, and particularly of Tripura. There could be more aspects of culture which can be explored, because of this type of exchange between northeastern Indian states and Japanese culture. I, on behalf of the government of Tripura, extend my warm support and welcome to the Japanese delegates once again for holding this event. I believe your stay at Agartala is comfortable. There may be some differences in food items and tastes, what we eat here in Agartala, but then you may find home away from your own native home while you enjoy mindfully and love wholeheartedly our culture of the state of Tripura. People of Tripura have a rich tradition of composite culture, the culture of the tribal people, the culture of the Tripuris, the culture of the Bengali people. So you will find a composite culture here at Agartala in Tripura. And music and dance, goes hand in hand with the people, with the lifestyle of the people of the northeastern states. The youth of the northeast, that's why, are quite fascinated by the Japanese culture, like cosplay, martial art like karate, Japanese calligraphy, and you will be showcasing here anime films. I hope the 2-day event of Japanese Caravan will allow the Japanese artists to get a platform here at Agartala. At the same time, the artists of Tripura also will perform, but the Japanese artists will see.
Rwjakha agoloni simi pranamni kokthum Chini Khorang.